Dr. Ramzan Zakir is the Director of High-Risk PCI and Research at Robert Wood Johnson Barnabas University Hospital, physician at RWJPE Heart and Vascular Institute of Central Jersey, and Clinical Associate Professor of Medicine at Rutgers Medical School, Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital. He was just recently selected as IAOTP's Man of the Year and for their Presidential Award in Healthcare by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP. While inclusion with the International Association of Top Professionals is an honor in itself, only one male professional is selected as Man of the Year. The Man of the Year award signifies IAOTP's most outstanding male member who has gone above and beyond excellence, not only in his field, but has demonstrated success professionally, personally, and has been a leader in his community. This man has impacted people's lives worldwide. And for 2025, IAOTP is proud to give this award to Dr. Ramzan Zakir. Dr. Zakir will be announced as Man of the Year 2025 and for IAOTP's Presidential Award in Healthcare at IAOTP's Annual Awards Gala at the Opryland Hotel and will be featured on the famous Nashville billboard this December. Dr. Zakir has exemplary brilliance in his field and has devoted more than a decade to interventional cardiology. He serves as the principal investigator of several clinical trials to enhance the management of patients with coronary artery disease, peripheral arterial disease, and venous disease. Dr. Zakir is a dynamic, results-driven leader who has demonstrated success and advancement throughout his career in cardiology. Dr. Zakir holds board certifications in cardiology, interventional cardiology, echocardiography, nuclear cardiology, and endovascular medicine. He graduated from Rutgers College before embarking on his current career journey. He finished his internship and residency at UMD-NJ, New Jersey Medical School. In addition, he served as Chief Medical Resident at Hackensack University Hospital. Dr. Zakir has successfully performed thousands of angioplasty procedures as an interventional cardiologist since 2009. He has expanded his practice to encompass peripheral vascular disease and has obtained his RPVI vascular ultrasound certificate. Dr. Zakir can evaluate his patients' requirements at the RWJPE Heart and Vascular Institute of Central Jersey prior to carrying out various medical procedures such as complex coronary interventions, chronic total occlusions, carotid artery stenting, endovascular interventions for patients with peripheral arterial disease, and venous ablations, sclerotherapy, and varithena procedures for venous insufficiency. At CVI, a prestigious outpatient office-based laboratory, he specializes in advanced endovascular treatments for patients with peripheral vascular disease. Throughout his thriving career as a cardiologist, Dr. Zakir has been an active member of his community and received numerous awards and accolades for his outstanding merits and contributions to cardiology. Last year, he was the recipient of IAOTP's Top Interventional Cardiologist of the Decade, was selected for Top 25 Global Impact Leaders publication, and was featured on the NASDAQ billboard in Times Square. In 2022, Dr. Zakir was honored with the International Healthcare Hero Award from the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, and featured on the famous Planet Hollywood billboard on the iconic Las Vegas Strip. He graced the front cover of TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine, was featured in IAOTP's international best-selling publication of Top 50 Fearless Leaders, Volume 1 and Volume 2, and was showcased on the famous Reuters billboard in Times Square. In 2021, he was awarded IAOTP's Top Interventional Cardiologist of the Year. In past years, Dr. Zakir has also been recognized by many of the Who's Who organizations, Castle Connolly, New Jersey Monthly Top Docs, Top 100 Registry, and Find a Top Doc for his excellence in the field and commitment to patient care. In addition to his successful roles in medicine, Dr. Zakir maintains affiliations with several organizations, including the American College of Cardiology, a Fellow of the Society for Cardiac Angiography and Intervention, and a member of the Police Defense Foundation, as well as Health Forces for Police. As an illustrious scholar, he is known for his distinguished contributions to prominent medical publications. Dr. Zakir has spoken at regional and global conferences and continues to serve as an invited faculty member for numerous international conferences, including TCT, NCVH, ACC, and SCAI. He is the co-founder of New Jersey Cardiovascular Foundation and chairman of CORS and VASC at the Shore, which brings cutting-edge medical education to the region. Dr. Zakir tributes his success to his father Mirza and Saad Sadiq. His most notable personal achievements are his tenacity, education, and the privilege of parenting his 2 boys and daughter. Dr. Zakir's hobbies outside of work include tennis, basketball, and golf, and he enjoys watching the New York Jets, Knicks, and Yankees. He credits his wife Nusheen for inspiring him to start the Heart and Vascular Institute of Central Jersey. And she has been his rock, supporting him and the family while he is working and traveling. Dr. Zakir will continue to support his patients in the future by giving the best care possible and achieving improved health results through his care. For more information about Dr. Zakir, please visit www.njheartandvascular.com and www.cvinj.com.